Hello everybody, in this slide we are going to learn how to download Selenium Chrome WebDriver for automation with Python. First you got to go to your Chrome and check out the current version of the Chrome, alright? That is, if you go to Chrome, help and about Google Chrome, it will give you the version of the Google Chrome because you want to download the matching WebDriver. Next step is to download the Chrome driver itself by visiting the official Chrome driver website https://chromedriver.chromium.org. Let it download and store it in a particular folder. It will download in the form of a zip. Step, you want to actually extract the Chrome driver executable from the downloaded zip archive. All right. And next one is you also want to add the path of the Chrome driver exe to your environment settings. So this slide explains to you how to set up the environment settings on Windows. So you want to go to your Windows environment settings, click on path and add the driver path in which you have downloaded the Selenium WebDriver.exe, and you may have to restart the machine. Next step, you got to go to your command prompt and type pip install Selenium, which will install Selenium. Now you're all set up. Now basically what you're looking at the screen is a sample Python script to work with the executable Chrome driver. Okay, so this one is basically what it's going to do is it's going to go to the path that you have the Chrome driver downloaded, and it's going to the driver.get is going to load it for your program. Later on you can use it any way you want. So this is a sample script. Once you're done with all the setup steps, please try it out. This basically will open a window, say example.com. That's pretty much it. So we have come to the end of our Chrome WebDriver Selenium Python installation steps. Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and learn Python.